In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you play Fortnite on a Switch or a PC and you would like to connect the opposite account, then you will be able to do it by visiting the official Fortnite website. So visit Fortnite.com through a web browser on your PC, laptop, or phone, and you will be able to do it here. You cannot do this process inside of the game. So once you are signed into your account, so click the option to sign into your Epic Games account, and then afterwards click on your name and go to connect accounts. Now you will find all of the accounts that have been connected to this Epic Games account. And as you can clearly see here, you will be able to establish a connection between your Nintendo account. So all that you have to do is choose the option to connect your Nintendo account. Now sadly, I already have a connection established, so I cannot demonstrate this process in full, but all that you would have to do is click on Connect underneath Nintendo account, and then choose the option to confirm your email. So see if the email is good to go, click on Connect account, and you will be redirected into the Nintendo website, where you can sign in using your Nintendo account credentials. Once that is done, you can approve the connection and it is going to be established. Now, if you go over to your Switch, you download the game, and you play, you will see all of your progress transferred over. And of course, if you are doing it for the opposite reason, where you already play on a Nintendo Switch, but you want to transfer your progress over to PC, then you don't even have to do this. Simply open the Epic Games launcher, and inside of the launcher itself, you simply have to sign into the same Epic Games account that you use on the Switch, and the progress will already be available for you. But if you still need to connect a Nintendo account, just choose the option here and then sign into this Epic Games account where you establish the connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.